gonna make food. So, I'm just gonna make pancit canton. If you don't know that Tagalog, it's like, yep, it's good. Promise. We're in the kitchen right now. But I'm just gonna pause this because I'm just gonna buy something. Bye! Nagawa lang ko pancit canton. Today we're making pancit canton and I'm gonna speak my real language. Ito, nagawa na ng pancit canton. I cannot show my face right now. We're still making it. Me!
Binuksan mo yan? May bukas doon sa ilalim ah.
Me!
Oo, ano?
Kapag natulog yung
Basa yung ilalim mo.
basa.
Kaya mo na matutulog mo. Mahal yan kay Bernard. Mahal yan kay Bernard. Crispy chicken burger. 100 plus yan.
Ano to, may ipon challenge me?
Project ka ng kuya mo. Mahal yan. Mga kagawa 100 plus yan. Ay, pag-aabang ako nga to si Nino.